Okay, good afternoon. I need to clarify some things with your assignments. Um, I want to show you exactly what you need to do in the sim book stuff. So right now I am in, if you go to coursework and we go to Word, let's go to Word Chapter 1. You'll see these same three things in every single module. There'll be a Chapter 1 something, and then there'll be an independent project, and then there'll be a guided project. All of these lead you into SimNet. The independent project and the guided project are actual documents that you will download. You'll click the link to open them, follow the instructions that you're given to make the changes, and then you'll upload them right to SimNet. So that's both of these, and that's all that is. This one's a little more confusing. I've had some questions, so I thought I would post this. Plus, I made a mistake in the other video, so my apologies for that. So these are practice lessons. The first one in every single chapter module is a practice lesson. So let's click on that. That will automatically load SimNet. You won't see that because this is for me as instructor, but this is what you'll see. Okay, this is what you'll see. So it's easier, in my opinion, to look at things in this list, but you can open SimBook, and all of these are practice exercises. You'll notice over here that there's a list of tasks, and then there are several that have, 3 tasks or 0 tasks or 4 tasks, and a whole bunch of them that have none. You can ignore everything that says none because these are actually projects, chapter summaries, check for understanding, quizzes. I haven't assigned any of that. I can't block it from you seeing it, so just pay attention to this task thing. What's required in these assignments is that you do the let me try piece. So what I'm going to do, I've already done this one just to test and make sure it works. So when you go into this sim book, let's say you look at the list of tasks and you see, okay, entering and selecting text. That has 3 tasks. So I'm going to go into that. And then, as I said, you won't be able to tell, but what is graded is the let me try. So you want to be sure to do the let me try. It doesn't hurt to do the show me. It doesn't hurt to do the guide me. They're just not part of what is graded, but they can be helpful. When you're looking at Word, a lot of you are very familiar with Word, but as we get into Access and probably Excel as well, you may need to practice. And these are very short and they're very helpful. So when I clicked on that, you first of all look up here, you see show me, guide me, let me try. So right now it's doing show me. You can go right down to let me try if you want to. It kind of goes back and forth with guide me and let me try. I think you almost have to do guide me first, but you can try to do let me try. Anyway, it's going to be something quick, and it will show you. Place your cursor at the end of the last paragraph and type the following text. Please use additional paper if necessary. So let's just say I did this and I just typed a bunch of junk and pressed enter. It's going to tell me that I'm incorrect. So I actually have to do that task. Wonder if it'll let me copy and paste. Don't do this, but nope, it's not going to let me. Okay, can't cheat on this. Please use additional paper if necessary. Make a notation to that fact. Okay, press enter. Okay, so it's telling me that I did it. So, whoops, gotta go back in. But anyway, you just want to make sure that the let me try it portion of that is done. So then I can exit. There are a couple of other let me tries on here. Wonder if, let's try to just go back. If we go back, I'm just using the back thing. Okay. There's a better way to get back. My apologies. I just did not see it. Anyway, we did the let me try, selecting inner text, and you'll see one's done. So that's all I did was one. And there'll be 3 on that page. And you see how quick they are. So it's very, very helpful to go through the guide me, show me, guide me things, and, you know, it'll be helpful to you when you do the project. But if you're an ace in the beginning concepts of Word and you don't feel like you want to do that, you just want to do what you need to do to get graded, you're going to do the tasks here. And then when you come back, you'll see they're completed. And if they're completed, you get all the points on this one. Remember, the other 2, this independent project and the guided project, are their actual documents. If I go into the independent project, and I have to go into the student view. Okay, here's the independent project. Here's the start file. You can do this several times if you want to. These are the things that you have to complete when you do it. And then here's where you upload it. So we look at the start file. And so when you click the start file, it will download up here to your computer, and then you open it that way. Complete these different activities that you need to do. You can check them off as you do them, and then when you're finished, you want to say upload my file. You pick your file that you want to upload, and then you can say grade my file, and you should be able to see if there are errors. I'm not sure if it's going to show you before or after, but that's how you do it. And then the other project file is going to look the same way. So if you have questions, please get in touch with me. But I just wanted to show you this and clarify. Sorry about that mistake I made on the video. So again, in the first link that shows you the chapter, that's the practice, you're going to do the let me tries that are listed, where the tasks are listed for them. So other than that, you should be good. Again, get in touch with me if you have any questions. Thanks.